Remember when driving a car felt like unleashing a beast on the open road? The roar of the engine, the thrill of the ride. But now, cars are quieter. In fact, some sound like washing machines. What happened to the power and sound we loved? Today, on Nobody Drives, we're diving into why modern cars have traded in the roar for silence, and if we're okay with that. Electric vehicles, EVs, are the future of driving. But with their quiet motors, they feel more like a robot than a roaring beast. Gone are the loud V8s and throaty engines. The Tesla Model S, Lucid Air, and even the Rivian R1T all show us a silent new world of driving. And while that's great for reducing noise pollution, there's something oddly underwhelming about driving the world's fastest cars with almost no sound. Now, hybrid cars. They're like the middle child of the car world, trying to balance power and efficiency. The Toyota Prius and BMW i8 are examples of this strange, high-pitched whine that feels more like a kid trying to sound like an adult. The sound is neither here nor there. It's not the grunt of a petrol engine, nor the silence of an electric motor. It's like a blender trying to impersonate a jet engine. But let's take a step back. The sound of a muscle car wasn't just noise. It was a connection between man and machine. The growl of a V8 wasn't just for show. It was primal, thrilling. When you step on the gas, you felt that roar deep in your chest. Fast forward to today, and we're left with silence. EVs and hybrids might be better for the planet, but do we miss the soul of the engine? So, why are EVs so quiet? Turns out it's for safety. The government mandates that electric cars make some kind of noise when driving at low speeds. Why? Because pedestrians can't hear them coming. Imagine walking down the street with your headphones in, oblivious to a car that's literally sneaking up on you. Electric vehicles are too quiet for their own good. And now, automakers are introducing synthetic sounds. Yes, that's right. Engine noise, created digitally. Porsche, BMW, and other manufacturers are designing artificial engine sounds for EVs, so drivers can still feel like they're in something powerful. But here's the question. Are we really okay with a fake roar? So, where does that leave us? The future of CarSounds is evolving. And while we might miss the raw, unfiltered growl of a V8, there's something undeniably cool about the quiet power of modern EVs. Will we ever get back to those old sounds? Or is this just the price we pay for progress? What do you think? Are you ready for the quiet future of cars, or do you miss the good old engine roars? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more content on the future of driving.